welcome to a new video. Today I want to try out something I think is really fun and it's going to be useful when running a business, and it's low budget and it's DIY. So, I mean, it's kind of like a golden combination. So what I want to try out today is create my own business t-shirt. So yeah, I am a photographer. I photograph babies and newborns, and yeah, even like looking at my older videos, you see a lot of behind the scenes videos. You see I'm wearing a white t-shirt a lot. It's clean, it's pure, it doesn't reflect off any colors on the set or anything. So yeah, and then I went to a store called Action, which is kind of like a Hobby Lobby dollar store, very cheap random things. And I found this transfer paper. So I want to create like a t-shirt with my logo, the name of my company. I think it looks pretty professional. Maybe even like something on the back, because my parents are like sitting behind me as I'm photographing. So when you're photographing outside in a park, wherever, couple, family, other people might pass and think, wow, that looks really professional, really cool. I want to book a session as well. They see the name of your company on the back of your jeans jacket. I think that's pretty cool because, I mean, they probably don't want to interrupt you in the middle of the session asking you what the name of your company is so they can book a session as well. So yeah, just having your name on your outfit would be pretty cool. Like right now I'm just wearing like a knitted sweater, so there's no way I can transfer my logo on this. But yeah, in the studio I often wear a white t-shirt anyway, so I want to try and do that. I mean, my printer just prints black and white, so it's gonna be just in black. The logo, I don't even know if it could work with colors. Yeah, it doesn't really have a brand. I think it's very low budget. I think this, I will put the price of how much I paid for these 4 sheets in the screen right now. It was a few euros, maybe not even 2 euros, I don't know. Okay, so I fitted my logo, the webpage I want to print on the back. So it's gonna be on the front of the t-shirt, on the back of the t-shirt, and then 2 little pictures for my kids. I'm gonna pimp 2 white t-shirts of them as well. I put them in a Word document and now I'm gonna flip them. So we're gonna go to rotate. I don't know if you can still see me, but let's say flip horizontal. Let's do that for all the photos. Rotate, flip horizontal, and then I'm just gonna print it and see if it works. Yeah, so they're all like, well, the pictures are like coloring pages because you want to have it black and white, because my printer only prints black and white. I think it's gonna be nice. I don't know, it might be a little bit too big, the logo on my t-shirt. I mean, yeah, we'll see how it goes. File, print. So the printer I have is a Brother MFC L2710DW series. Let's go. Okay, so first I'm just printing it on regular white paper to see what it looks like before opening this visual package. Okay, so here we go. I think it looks pretty good. Yeah, I think the logo might be a little bit too big, so I'm gonna make that a little bit smaller. I think the rest is okay. It's cute here. So, okay, so this is still the original paper that I just printed, but just to show you how big it would be on my t-shirt. Maybe it's okay, right? Maybe it's okay because you want people to be able to read it. Later I'm gonna decide if I'm gonna have to left or right, but I think the size might be good. Yeah. Okay, I'm just gonna size it down a little bit. Okay, so we've got the one with the red squares. This one is to put on dark fabric, and the one with the blue squares is for light fabric. I'm not quite sure if my printer is flipping the paper or not. I'm just gonna test it. So this is gonna be the top, and I'm just gonna print something on there. Okay, yeah, so it is gonna flip the paper because here it says top. That's what I just wrote down, but then it actually printed my little word test on the other side. So I should put the paper in the printer facing with the white side down, because it's gonna flip it in the printer. It's gonna come out, hopefully printed on the white side of the paper. Yeah, there you go. Okay, so now I have to let it dry. So now I'm gonna let it dry for 30 minutes, and then it's gonna be time to iron these on some white t-shirts. So yeah, I have to cut it out and then iron it on there. Okay, so of course, how can we have a whole video without the appearance of Jamie, who is confiscating the couch as we speak. Your tail's moving. Say hi to your YouTube friends. Oh. So yeah, I'm actually thinking about changing the color of the green wall to more like a sand color. So be more like a neutral color palette, a bit softer, more calm, because the green was already on here when I moved here. And it's okay, but I'd rather have more like the earthy tones. So yeah, the t-shirt I picked for myself is just a plain white short sleeve t-shirt. So it's just a very plain white cotton t-shirt, like stretchy. I actually got this one last summer or the summer before, so it's not new. It's been washed quite a few times already. For my daughter, I'm gonna use this Hema t-shirt. I really like the Hema t-shirts for kids. They're really long lasting, and I don't have like an ironing board, so I'm gonna use the couch. So Jamie has to move. Jamie, you gotta move. Is that your sleepy face? So yeah, it's been drying long enough. I'm just gonna start with the back of my t-shirt, pretty much. So cute. This is actually her favorite LOL puppet. Yeah, and my son has been a big fan of Captain America for quite some time now. Kom er eens af. Kom eraf. Place the image with the printed side down on the uncreased fabric. Iron with circular movements, applying constant pressure. Level up 60 to 90 seconds. Leave the fabric to cool off. Remove the paper carefully and smoothly. Here we go. Circular movements. Here we go. Don't want to burn the t-shirt. Did I just burn the paper and the t-shirt? Did I just burn the t-shirt? Okay. Because it's looking a little bit brownish. Do you see? Oh man, did I just burn the back of the t-shirt? I don't know if you can see, but I think the iron was on a little bit too hot because the t-shirt is turned brown and the paper as well. But anyway, I'm just gonna try and peel it off now. Oh, here. Ooh! Look at that. Oh, that looks good. Gentle, smoothly. There you go. Oh, that looks really cool. Except that it turned brown. Okay, except for the fact that it turned brown, it looks really cool. I think it was on too hot. Oh no. I put it down, like I put the temperature down a little bit. Maybe here. Okay, here we go. Moment of truth. 1, 2. Here we go. It's not brown yet, just ironing. Okay, so see if I can pull it off. Here we go. Oh, this looks really good. I like this. Oh yeah. Oh, that looks really cool. I mean, it's like shiny. You can really see where I cut it, like the edges of the thing, but it looks pretty decent. Here we go. That looks pretty cool. Too bad I burned the back side of the t-shirt. This looks really good. Okay, so now I'm gonna go to the kids ones. That one looks pretty cool. There you go. Okay, so here we go. So I just have to have my hair down so no one sees the back. Reasonable. I don't know. Of course, color would have been better, and maybe like a little bit turned, maybe a little bit smaller. I don't know. Is it like super professional? No. Will I wear this a lot? I don't know. Was it a fun experiment? Yes, definitely. Will the kids love their t-shirts? Hopefully. I think it's decent. Vinden jullie ze mooi?
Ja.
Pak ze maar. Ik wil gewoon aandoen. Mooi hè?
Oh, hij is echt mooi.
Kijk hè? Wow. So, thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. Please like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Love reading your comments. And then hopefully I can see you in the comments. Do you wear like a t-shirt with your business logo on it? Or you just wear like a regular t-shirt? I want to design more t-shirts now. I think it's really cool. Or like funny memes, or just, you know, your own drawings. I mean, it's pretty cool. For the birthdays of the kids, they can have their own like personalized t-shirts. So many possibilities, not just on t-shirts. Put it on a hat, as long as it's like fabric, I think. I want to try maybe later the darker one, well, the lighter one on a dark t-shirt. I mean, that could be cool. So anyway, thank you so much for watching. I really hope you liked it. Please like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Love reading your comments, and hopefully I can see you in the comments and you can see me in my next video. Thank you for watching.